Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mika. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I want to review the new Telfar x Melissa Jelly Bag. Very excited for this bag. I'm going to the Beyoncé concert next month, and I was really thinking about, like, man, I don't have like a designer clear bag. All I have is these plastic bags that I get from Amazon. So I saw the email drop that Telfar was releasing a new bag, and you know your girl couldn't wait to get it. I mean, I was on my way to DC, and as soon as the plane like touched the tarmac, my phone was out right at 12 trying to secure the bag. Okay, and the bag has been secured. You feel me? So I am going to take a look at the bag, check out its features, and kind of compare it to the other Telfar bags that I do have. So let's go ahead and open this up. So already off the bat, it's in different bagging. Like the normal Telfar bag that I get the minis in and the medium bag, it's white. So this one is cream and it has different kind of branding on it. It's my first time doing a collab bag, so I guess this is what the collab bags go in. I wonder what the other one came in, but anywho, let's open up this bag because I know you guys want to see this. Alright guys, I am back. So let's get into the review. So this is the bag, and this is from the side, this is from the back, the straps, and this is the bottom of the bag. So right off the bat, just first feel, it does feel a little bit thicker than the normal bags. I was a little like scared to purchase this bag because, you know, like I said before, I have the Amazon ones, and the clear bags, the plastic part is very thin. So I guess I should have known that it was going to be thick, like jelly thick, because back in the day, I don't know, some of you guys might be a little bit too young to remember the jelly shoes that everybody used to wear to school, and they were pretty thick. So I guess I should have known that it was going to be a little thick. So one of the noticeable differences is like the sides here. So the sides are like silicone like, and then they curve underneath, and it's like that on both sides of the bag. And then even the emblem right here, it's thick, it juts out, so it's kind of like, it's giving me a 3D feel. And then on the back you have, or in the inside, it has the, well, I guess this is on the back. On the back of the bag, it has the collab on it, and I don't know if you guys can see. Let's just put my hand here, and it just has the Melissa x Telfar right here. What I do like about the bag, I do like these 3 grooves here that's on the bottom of the bag. I think it's going to help the bag stand up and keep the bag from slipping, because you would imagine like this piece right here is probably like sticky or slippery. So this kind of like plants it here and it's down. I like how the straps just immediately just start folding down, as you can see. They just lay flat. My only concern is that, you know, it's very easy, like when I want to tuck in my straps for the regular mini bag, I don't know if this will fit with my stuff in it really good, like how I can get the other mini bag too. So that way sometimes I just carry it like this and I tuck the straps in. But so far I'm liking it, so I'll give you guys a side-by-side comparison of the bag. So I have this other mini. So here's the other mini that I have. I have the white. Let's see if I can just kind of open it up a little bit. So yeah, so if you look at this bag, like it instantly looks, it's bigger, right? I mean, even when you open it to the side, it's still kind of, this one's still small, the white's still small, and the jelly still is kind of big. You know, we have these thin straps and the thin straps here. So yeah, so this bag appears, the jelly mini appears to be bigger than, well, maybe it might be the right size, same size, now that I'm kind of stuffing this down, keeping this open, because the jelly bag just stays open, so it doesn't get kind of flat like these in compact. So it looks like they may be the same size here. What do you guys think now that they're open? Yeah. So now I want to just double check to see if I can get the same things in the jelly bag that I normally put, and I'm pretty sure I can at this point, because this bag just looks bigger. And it's probably not, like I said, because it's just I think it's really the cylinder parts that make the bag look big. But we're gonna go ahead and put my normal things that I would put in the mini and just kind of see how the stuff looks. If I can kind of untangle these cords. All right, there we go. I'm like babying the bag because it's so brand new, but after a while I'm probably gonna be like tossing this bag around. All right, so let me just make sure you guys can see. So start off with my cell phone. I always take my cell phone. I usually, if I'm taking this bag and I don't have anything to put in here, I usually bring a phone. I like to like put my phone horizontal to make sure that it's still secure, but if I pack the bag real tight, then I will do it vertical. So next thing I always need is my wallet. So when I put the wallet in here, and maybe I should do my phone last so I can see if I need to do it the other way. So next we're gonna do hand sanitizer. Actually, this one is kind of big, but I always need my chapstick and my lip gloss. I always bring my portable charger. I always bring some perfume. Gotta keep smelling good throughout the day. And I also bring my purse hook, because if I'm going out to dinner or anywhere, I never know if I'm gonna have space to like put my bag, and I don't like hanging my bag off the chair. So I always bring this purse hook because it fits right underneath these straps. And sometimes I bring like Tylenol when I go out, because you never know when I might have a headache, or even like some Zyrtec because my allergies can go crazy. But I always bring my little to-go miniature peel case. So I'll drop that in there. And this is what it's looking like so far, you know, without the phone. So I can probably go ahead and tuck the phone in here. And then let me just, oh, I forgot something. What I usually, well, sometimes I carry my AirPods and sometimes I don't. And then of course I need my keys. Sometimes I carry my AirPods with me. It just really depends on where I'm going and how much space I have in my bag. But I want to see if I'll be able to put that in here. These straps. And then of course, if I am driving, I need my keys. But if I'm not driving, I usually leave my keys at home. But we're gonna drop the keys in here and pretend like I'm driving. And voila. So it has everything in here. And y'all see how much stuff I put in here too. So that's it from the back. And then this is how your things look. Your stuff in here. So yeah, so it looks like your girl can get in a lot of stuff. Yes, so I'm so excited to start carrying this bag. If you got the bag, let me know what you thought of the bag. And if you didn't know that the pink Melissa bag is going to be like a hot pink jelly bag. I just saw the email today that it's going to be going out. I can't remember what day it is, but when I go back and look at my email, I'll put it right down here or in the description box. But you want to go ahead, if you want it in hot pink, go ahead and set your calendar appointment, set a reminder to go ahead and be on the website at 11:55 a.m. Do not wait till 12. Go ahead and have it preloaded. That's typically what I do when I want to get the bag. Is if I see the color that I want, I set a calendar appointment and I set it for 11:55 a.m. And what I do next is I go ahead on the website from the email and click on the bag that I want. So either I'm going to get the medium or the small. So I only have one medium bag and I got a gold one. And it's kind of like my, if I ever go work somewhere else and I can bring my laptop, or I just want to bring a bunch of stuff, or I'm just going to sit down and just coming right back, I'll bring my medium bag. And then I have a couple other colors of the mini. So that's how I've been able to secure my bag. So I'm just giving y'all a little tip, a little tea. Okay, so that's how you guys can secure your bag. So go ahead and just make sure you have the site pulled up on the exact bag that you want to get. And then you want to drop that in your reminder. So at 11:55 a.m. you can go ahead, go to the website, or you can wait. You don't have to put it in your calendar. Just at 11:55, go ahead and load up the website. Go ahead and click on the bag you want. And when you see it's at 11:59, just keep refreshing. Once it's available, go ahead and add it to your cart. And it'll take you to a queue. And then from there, if you pull it up right at 12, add it to your cart, like click, 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 you should be able to get the bag. So I'm looking forward to carrying this bag and I cannot wait.